What's the first thing you should do when you get your table and you're ready to play? Well, you should have ordered some silicone spray with your table, and the first thing you should do to lubricate your board is prepare it with some silicone. What you do is you spray a light mist coat all the way down the board. You're just trying to give the whole board full coverage. The silicone should be down enough that if you ride across it, you can see that it puts a little mark in there like that. We'll let this silicone set for a little bit. And the first time when I get a board that's brand new, I like to actually kind of buff that silicone in. So I take that board and I buff it. And as you're buffing it, you can kind of feel a little bit like you're waxing a car. And you'll feel an area where maybe the board's dry and there's no silicone, because where it's dry, your hand won't slide as smoothly as it smoothly slides over the areas that have been silicone. Once you've got your silicone laid down and the board's kind of buffed out, if you ran your hand again, you wouldn't actually see the grease, but you can still feel the silicone on top of your board. Now the next thing that you're ready to do to get ready to play your game, so actually spread and sprinkle your wax. There's a couple different kinds of wax out there. Brown powdered wax, and actually this is one thing to warn you of: if you have somebody in your family that has nut allergies, this wax is made with a walnut shell, so it does have nuts in it. Then you have another wax that is a yellow wax, and the base of this wax is actually cornmeal. And so if you have nut allergies at home, you should choose a yellow wax. But one of the disadvantages over the yellow wax over the brown wax is that the cornmeal in humid climates, especially around here in Michigan and places like Texas in the summer, the cornmeal base can tend to pick up some of the humidity and it slows down the play. We prefer the brown wax, and we do mix it in different speeds based on the length of your table. I'm using a medium fast speed here, which is a speed 3, and this is a 16-foot table. It's kind of the speed we'd recommend for this size table, but this is the area where most people make a mistake, is that the wax does not need to be put on very heavy. You just put a nice light coat of wax. It should almost look like snow does when it's starting to first gather on the road, but yet it's not thick enough to even plow or do anything with, just starting to gather. If you can see, that's just a real nice light coat of wax. Actually, this is another misconception people have. Once they have a board waxed like that, they keep adding wax to it, and in reality, you're supposed to play an entire game with a wax board like this.